Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to add your debit card to Apple Pay in 2025. With the latest updates, Apple has made this process even smoother and more secure, so you can start making contactless payments hassle-free. Whether you're a longtime iPhone user or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. First things first, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version for 2025. Head to Settings, General, Software Update to check. You'll also need your debit card handy and ensure your bank supports Apple Pay, which most do by now. Let's jump right in. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's that iconic wallet icon on your home screen. Once you're in, tap the plus button in the upper right corner to add a new card. You'll see options for different card types. Select debit or credit card. Next, you'll be prompted to scan your card using your iPhone's camera. Just position it under the frame, and it'll capture the details automatically. If scanning doesn't work, you can manually enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Apple Pay in 2025 adds an extra layer of security, so you might need to verify your identity with Face ID or Touch ID at this stage. After that, your bank will send a verification code via text or email. Enter it to confirm. Once verified, you can choose to set this card as your default for payments. That's it. You're now ready to use your debit card with Apple Pay for quick taps at stores, online, or even in apps. A quick tip. If you run into any issues, double-check your bank's app for any pending approvals or update your card details if needed. And remember, Apple Pay keeps your information secure with tokenization, so your actual card numbers aren't shared. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay connected.